How to make Facebook profile pic private. First of all, open the Facebook application on your phone. You are now in the Facebook homepage where you can view posts and stories of your friends or pages that you follow on Facebook. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Menu. Then, go to your profile at the top. Over here, tap on your profile picture. Then, tap on See Profile Picture. Now, tap on the three dots at the top right corner. Tap on Edit Privacy. Here, change the audience of your post to only me. This means that only you will be able to view this post. After that, tap on Done at the top. As you can see, there is a locked icon below your name now. Following these steps, you can easily make Facebook profile pic private. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.